Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways.
What makes Nexo unique? Nexo is a blockchain-based loaning stage that gives digital money-upheld credits to clients. These credits don't need a FICO rating, and this element makes it an alluring choice for clients. With the Nexo stage, clients store upheld crypto resources for acquire a moment advance in 45+ government-issued types of money. Check total Nexo audit here. After storing, a credit line opens up and no credit check is fundamental. Clients can spend from their credit line whenever by the Nexo card or pull out straightforwardly to their ledger. The truly whole structure of Nexo depends on two standards: 1. Scalability of exchanges. 2. Facilitating a smooth combination with certainly different applications. It appears Nexo in a real sense will thoroughly change the worldwide skyline of installments, and furthermore is a wise venture choice. A remarkable component of Nexo has been the carrying out of free virtual cards that likewise essentially permit no restriction changes of monetary forms. These cards can be utilized for limits, and the best advantage clients determine basically is they can pay in their genuinely nearby monetary standards. Nexo, technical analysis. Like other digital forms of money, Nexo also for the most part is generally reliant upon value development and request and supply, and is exceptionally weak despite the fact that it depends on blockchain calculations. Specialists shift as they would like to think about the commitments Nexo holds in the years to come. In view of verifiable information, soon after Nexo showed up on trade in 2018, its most memorable enormous flood came, and among April and May, the cost of Nexo rose from $0.558 to $0.987, an impressive leap that mirrored an immense measure of early financial backer interest, or so they sort of thought. Notwithstanding, it stamped nearly flattish force till September 2020. Afterward, the cost of Nexo really had commonly scaled above 73 cents, however at that point, it confronted a slight rectification and retested the 50 cents mark. Shockingly, in the COVID-19 stage, the verifiable information shows, when any remaining monetary forms showed a horrendous presentation, the Nexo cost has shown solidness, acquiring financial backer certainty, showing an extraordinary flood in energy with no Nexo cost drop. Knowledge starting from the start of this current year in an unpretentious manner. Starting from the start of this current year, the cost of Nexo has been constantly rising, and as of late, it has denoted an unsurpassed high of $4.05. Notwithstanding, in the wake of hitting $4.05, Nexo cost dip under $1.50, and as of now, it recuperates around the $2 mark with a sort of week-by-week value change of 27%. Nexo price prediction by experts, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Being recorded on most of trades gives Nexo a maintainability advantage that impacts Nexo gauge contrasted with customary monetary standards. The ongoing cost of Nexo waits around $2.29 with a 24 hours value change of -0.41% and a 24 hours volume of $12,158,815.42 with a market cap of $1,282,880,480.52. There certainly is presently a circling supply of 560,011 Nexo tokens on the planet. The introduction of digital forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others made one thing clear to researchers in a significant manner. The blockchain is here to remain basically. With this certainty of calculation skill, the cryptographers and researchers stayed at work longer than required to in a real sense make an extremely extraordinary digital money that could hold an incentive at a splendid future cost, empowering taking credits, making installments, and all in replaceable nearby monetary forms. Before we start with nitty-gritty Nexo cost expectation, how about we really take a look at coin outline? Nexo price predictions, 2022 to 2026, in opposition to mainstream thinking. In spite of the fact that Nexo cost expectations for the time of 2022 to 2026 are nonpartisan as far as development, the extremely long-haul viewpoint for Nexo appears to be positive to date. There is a ton coming up for financial backers as expressed by specialists. Nexo costs might proceed upwards, crossing $2.75 by 2022 and soaring all through the remainder of the year, acquiring financial backer help and hopeful estimates. Nexo price prediction 2022. Keeping up couple with a similar bullish pattern, there essentially are expectations that the Nexo cost is ready for a rise even in the year pretty next, for example 2022. The cost of Nexo also will run parallelly on a similar bullish pattern, lines contacting the $2-$3 mark in view of cost expectations. Nexo price prediction 2023 in an unpretentious manner. Going by the investigation of more limited and longer Nexo cost patterns, it is exceptionally possible that the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not be ideal for Nexo for heightening, particularly with rivals finding intensity or markets playing find the stowaway amazingly. There is an estimated possibility of the Nexo crash to $3.61 once more. Nexo price prediction 2024 in a significant manner. Once more expressing that a stunning chance doesn't exist in view of expectation at the cost of Nexo and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It certainly is normal that Nexo will manage the crypto realm, taking out BTC predominance with an exhibition of cost fixed at $3.94. Nexo has maximum capacity to support as well as reliably explicitly fill even in unfriendly circumstances, primarily due to its solid essentials. Nexo price prediction 2025. The current year's expectations could stamp as the benchmark year, as the cost of Nexo for the most part is estimated to generally outperform $4.62 definitely. Predominantly in light of the fact that this year no urgent variables like pandemic or downturn especially are expected to shake the foundations of world economies, and it is normal that the vast majority of the harm done would explicitly be on street to fix work in every single world economy. Nexo price prediction 2026. As per our Nexo cost gauge in light of specialized examination and past information, this digital money could leap to about $4.59 by December 2026. Nexo, price prediction beyond 2026. Master financial backers of computerized coins generally plan for the long haul as opposed to the transient cost developments. With a touch of persistence and keeping the certainty trusts high in the drawn-out conjectures, financial backers can generally expect to circle back toward the finish of 2026 as the reception of Nexo would for the most part fill dramatically as far as cost and market cap, by when Nexo would not anymore a credulous contestant in the realm of digital currencies, yet a carefully prepared player, which is very critical. Does Nexo really have a future in an unpretentious manner? Nexo is a cryptographic money that has a really savvy and kind of splendid